Hey everyone, it's Amanda, Pineal Painting, Sarasota, Florida. Alright guys, I'm out at Bird Key and it's a little windy today. Let's take it for a walk around the outside. I'm doing the inside first, but so on the outside I'm going to be doing the soffits, fascia, the walls, these shutters, all of these corner blocks. Ooh, rosebush. These white corner blocks. Everything's getting done on this. So let's take a walk around and look at it. It's like this really cool like spot back in here. This is really interesting. It's like a little nook. Paint that. It's right on the water too. It's got another little nook here that's screened in. So this is going to be interesting. I'll paint this in here. Looks like a lot of caulking needs to be done. A little bit of prep work over here. It's right on the water. I forgot to ask him about this iron fence. I gotta ask him about this. If he wants me to spray this. Yeah, so look how beautiful it is out here. It's right on the water. Nice. So I'm doing soffit, fascia, shutters, walls. It's got a terracotta roof out here. With the lanai. I don't know, I'm probably locked out. Nope, I'm not locked out. Really nice pool area. The interesting part about this one is I'm going to be doing, this is a cedar roof, ceiling, sorry. Look how beautiful this is. I love it. But they're going to be painting it. So I'm going to paint all this. This is all going to go like a light blue. So got all these pillars to do. I'm going to go through the other side. But look how nice. This is going to be such a transformation. I talked to the owner. He's like super, super nice. And this is going to be really interesting. It's like some bubbling here. Got some bubbles on the trim. I'm going to have to scrape that off. Whoop. So, got another fence here. I'm going to have to ask about these. I don't even know if I walked this side of it. I didn't even look at this. Look at this. This stuff is really hard to paint. Spray it. So this is the outside, and just a quick walk around. I'm doing some work here today, changing the locks on the, oh, we got a epoxy floor. That's pretty much it. So I'll show you guys as I go. Lots of work going on out here. Lots of work. You can barely get through the street. Look at these houses. It's all right on the water too. We got new construction going on. More new construction. A lot of work. Another new construction. Bird Key. A lot of building going on out here. Look at this beautiful house. That's really cool. I like that. Try to this. So this goes right out to the bay right here. Look how beautiful this is. Man, loving life, loving it. Look at these trees. Wow, right in your front yard. All right, I'm heading out Bird Key, out of Bird Key. I'm leaving. Today was my first day at my new Bird Key job, and I'm loving it. The homeowners are really, really cool. Love that. And they just built a bunch of these. All these are brand new. That one's not. This one is. Yeah, so it was a really good day. Got a lot done. Got to go back tomorrow, obviously. Pick up some more paint in the morning. And wow, it's windy. Phew. Alright guys, maybe I'll put you back on when I get heading over the Ringling Bridge, Ringling Causeway. Or maybe I'll just take you with me now. This is the Ringling Causeway. Look at this, so pretty. You can barely see the tower. Gold dome on it. You can't see anything going up over the bridge. Yeah, you can't see it barely, but that building with the gold dome and the spike on the top of it, to the very far right, that's the penthouse that I work in. Alright, show you some more. I'll show you some more tomorrow. I'll take some more clips. Probably put them together and put a quick video together and show you the beginning of the Bird Key house. I got permission to film and record and post, so he said he's really excited to see what the transformation's going to be like, because the colors are pretty cool. The inside of the all of the doors on the interior are all going a blue color, which is going to be really weird. Not weird, it's going to be really cool, but I love doing it, but it's just, I should have said like, it's going to be different than the norm, which is really cool. That's why I love painting, because I love doing colors. People, sometimes people laugh at me and they say, yeah, but painting white is so much easier. Yeah, it is. But so yeah, I'll be back tomorrow, and I'm gonna put some videos together, and I'm gonna get off here. All right. We got up here trolley. Never seen this. I knew they had a trolley, but I went to my Bird Key job this morning, and there was so many workers in there. I said, I'm not going to be able to do it. They're supposed to be out of there today, so the trolley goes in that lane and then still has to merge over anyway. Huh. Never seen that before. Pretty interesting. I some material, so at least I accomplished something this morning. 2-hour drive, but sometimes these things happen. So I guess it frees me up to do some other things today. I have a couple estimates to do. I gotta go a couple meetings. I'm getting ready to meet my free repaint recipient for this year, 2024. I already spoke with him on the phone. Actually, I spoke with his son, and his son is saying that he hasn't told his dad yet because he's gonna surprise him with it. And his dad is a 96-year-old World War II vet, I believe, from what I remember. Like I say, I haven't met them yet, so I'm gonna get the information and get the story and find out about this man, and we're gonna help him out. I'm gonna do an exterior this time. He's got some damage and stuff from the hurricane, and he got a bunch of stucco damage, so I think they had a handyman that was gonna come and fix it, but either way, when I go look at it, I'm gonna see if gonna find out what how much it is, because I can do, I can do minor stucco repairs. That's about it. I don't really go, if you got to put the wiring and stuff and all that in there, I don't usually mess with any of that. So, the sailboat's out today. Oh, can't see it barely. The sailboat's out today.